Okay, good morning, everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. So once again, if you are here with me, once again, thank you. Help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out. All right, and we're gonna start our section shortly this morning. Okay. So again, a quick disclaimer: this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, so make sure you got your own trading plan. If not, get advice from professional. So again, same things over here. Market is extremely bad. Okay, what I can say. Okay, actually, it's very bad. Okay, now yesterday actually we do have a slight rebound. Okay, so what we call technical rebound, and I thought it's gonna last for at least few days, but looks like it didn't happen. Okay, again, the tariff thing is still going on. Okay, market still pretty uncertain. So, like I say, if you don't see anything that nice setups, okay, I would think it's the best we try to avoid for short term opportunities, okay, which is currently I'm doing. Okay, now IBM KLCI continue to retest around 11420 area. Okay, this one actually it break a little bit. Okay, now it's trying to go back up again, but we don't know. Okay, until end of today whether we'll see a hammer or not. If there's a hammer, yes, 1420 level is still a good level to kind of like focus. Okay, whether they will still kind of like hold around this area or not. But definitely it's a crucial area. So what I think no need to look into the sector also because the sector I think mostly is in red this morning. Only healthcare is going up. Kind of surprised because yesterday healthcare actually started to move a bit. But this morning also I think they gave up, but in the end they closed lower. Okay, like Supermax, I think even Aventa, the rest also the same things. Okay, let's turn into Supermax. Okay, so over here, okay, they goes up, drop again. So if you really want to, you probably use the hourly chart. That's the best thing I can say to trade in this kind of market condition. So maybe you want to buy or maybe trade very close with the support level. So I think the support should be around 76 cents. Okay, should be around for your good support area. Okay, but really current market no edge to be frank. Let's go into top glove also. Okay, so far only glove this morning move a bit, but the rest double. Okay. Now let's do into intraday alerts. Do let me know any counters you're looking into. If not, probably just a quick 5 minutes, then we're gonna end our section. Nothing also to be frank with you. Markets is extremely bad. Okay, yes, even though some counter is moving up, but for me in this kind of market condition, it doesn't really provide you a very good edge. Okay, K group is nice. I think on Monday also we do spot K group with a pullback patterns. Okay, let's do into daily chart. Actually, K group is nice. Okay, like I say, it's a good counters for you to put into a watch list because Monday we do have some selling the market and it do form a hammer. Okay, so hammer in the weak market is good. All right. Yesterday also tried to goes up, but again a weak closing. This is considered a slightly weak closing, probably because market weak, people sell. Okay, take profits. Okay. Now so far it's still holding well. Like I said, even though it's nice right now, but really this kind of market, you entered memang tak boleh. Everything also terjadi punya. Okay, I think okay. This is my opinion. I might be wrong. Okay, morning Ruku, morning Joa. Okay. I will look into Dufu. But good to put into a watch list. I think Monday we have a few counters that, like I mentioned, your few counters that I can put into your watch list, right? One is K Group. Sometimes I forgot. Okay, the one is I think Mercury Securities. Let's try. Okay, so far it says still hold well. Today, okay. Now again, a good counters to probably we want to look into. Okay, after the market comes, but I think it will probably take around June already. Okay, May I will still think it's probably a bit risky overall. Okay, so maybe again let's see how it goes between the China and US. So okay, now Cellcon also so far I think the pullback level is pretty nice. Okay, so far K Group, Cellcon, this two is the best. Okay, and then by Mercury Security. Okay, so if later on market come a little bit, this guy make a pullback complete, probably this is for a few counters that we want to look for the opportunities. Okay, now Dufu. Okay, any counters just let me know. If not, after Dufu I will close. Really nothing much, unfortunately, in this market. Okay, now Dufu, same with all the tech stocks. Okay, to be frank, It's really not good right now. Okay, so what happened is that the other day they dropped support with increasing volume. Normally, I don't like drop support with increasing volume, but if let's say they go bottom increasing volume, I think it's fine. But this one break support, increasing volume, and gap down also a little bit. Okay. Now, if you ask me, trend wise, definitely not good already. Okay. I mean, look into the chart also, we know it's downtrending chart. So okay, now let's look into weekly because you want to look for support. I'm not sure. Wow, this is how many years ago? 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago support. Ayo, this one break the crucial support also lah, which is the 1 ringgit lah. They break already. Just this week they break. Okay. You want to look for next support. Okay. You want to look for next support. I think the best one I can look into is this. But sometimes when the support too far away, sometimes it's not relevant one. But okay, if let's say in case you really want to, 68 cents is the next support. Okay, but like I say, sometimes too far away. This is 6 years ago. This support is 6 years ago. So sometimes 6 years ago, it doesn't really make sense. Okay, but if you want to have a reference, here I think it's a good one. Okay, so this is how much? This is 68 cents. Okay, so currently is 90 over cents. Go to 68 cents also the row. Right? Unless daily chart do show some reversal. If not, I think I'm not sure. Looking for entry exit. If you're looking for entry, at least daily chart wait for a nicer setup first. Okay, so nowadays is we never know. Okay, so like I said, I share with you what my friend did. I think even before Raya or after CNY, when stock prices like Dufu, Inari, GrabTech, all having 50% discount. Okay, so of course my friends always like to buy deep. Okay, but it always worked for him previously because when you buy deep, market recover. Of course he do average down also. Okay, so when market recover, he can easily make 5 to 10%. Right. This one is different. He didn't expect actually it would dip further after he bought, so he keep averaging down. So I think last week we have some rebound. Or is it last week? Yeah, last week a little bit of rebound. He thought, okay, maybe okay lah, can break even or have a little bit profit. But this week drop further. Okay, I think he's still stuck. Okay, so unless this is a strategy, okay, you can actually hold to average down. Okay, but normally I don't do that. Okay, so the best for me is I wait for daily chart to show some sort of setups that I think I'm more comfortable to look into. Okay, now GrabTech is another one that luckily, like I said before Raya, I accept everything. Okay, just want to drop further with increasing volume. Let's wait for nice setups. Okay, we want to come back and look into this again. So Inari also same things. Okay. Okay lah, nothing much actually. Okay, welcome Joel. So okay, now let's look into time.com for midterm. Time.com. Oh, surprisingly, this one's still holding well. Okay. Okay lah. In terms of setups, I don't think it's a problem. Okay. So here, this is a reaccumulation, the retest. What do you think? Okay, this one I think is still good. Okay. There is no so-called a sell-off. There's no, but be careful. This one is a false breakout. This one is a false breakout, which means they break, but they fail to hold. So if let's say this week they close lower, okay, maybe you got a chance to grab a support, maybe 46 and below. Okay, you got a chance to grab. So like I say, normally when you got a false breakout, the price tends to retest support one. There's one the other day, I think someone mentioned is what counters really, I forgot. There's one also. They break, but in the end tajadi kan, they drop support. And now I think below support. Okay, so whenever you got shake out, few things have to be careful. So okay, now if Ruku you're looking for entry, my advice is that because this is midterm, so I'm using weekly chart. I would say that I prefer to use at least Friday. I want to see how is it close because today is only Wednesday. So let's say it closed lower than here. I think that it still got a chance for you to grab around 46. Okay, so this one is to reduce your risk lah overall. Okay, again that's my opinion. Okay, I don't know whether they will shoot to 5 ringgit and above or not. Okay, but again, most important is that which level of risk you are more comfortable. But based on current chart setups, yes, it's still good for Bitcoin. Okay, I think the Naga also. Let me check because the Naga are also looking for re-entry. Okay, this week see other hammer ke tak ada lah. So let's say got hammer is still nice. Okay, for the Naga. Okay, any other counters? If not, probably we will end our sections today. All is only Supermax, the rest tak jadi sangat. Okay, welcome Ruku. Let's say if there's nothing much, still the best I think is keep cash in my portfolio. Okay, wait for things to be slightly clearer first. Then only we look into the market. All right. So with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. If you like my section over here, help me to click the like button. Help me to share this out. We have Telegram. Join our Telegram. Okay, from time to time, who knows, later afternoons, we got something interesting. Then probably we will share more in the Telegrams. Okay. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow for morning updates.